Okay guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to get in another cryptocurrency exchange. So let's get started. So what you need to do is you're going to go to your Play Store and there download this app which is called Kraken. So I'm going to get it for you. So we're going to go to Play Store. Then you're gonna search for it here. Click on the search button here and here you search for Kraken. Yeah, that's a new crypto exchange for you to buy your crypto and sell your crypto very easily. So let's install it. Okay, how to download and install your Kraken crypto exchange app. So you can see it's been installing here. For iPhone user, you can go to your app store, and for Android user, just go to your Play Store and search for Kraken. Just search for it, download and install very easily. Just follow this process, you'll be able to get it easily. Then you install it on your phone, you start. Okay, you can see, let's wait for it to install finish. It's very easy. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you will be notified in all our new videos dropping in very soon. Yeah, so this video is a tutorial on how you can download and install your Kraken exchange app. Yeah, this is it. It's almost finished downloading. You can see it's going to download and install very easily on your phone, so you don't need to stress yourself. If you're using your iPhone, just go directly to your app store. If you're using your Android, just go directly to your Play Store and search for Kraken. That's for you to easily buy your crypto or Bitcoin, easily buy and sell your crypto. Yeah, you can see it just started installing. It automatically install once it has downloaded finish, and that is it. Very easy. You can see it is downloading first and now it is installing easily. All right, let's wait for it a little. It's almost done. So it's almost done. Okay guys, I can see, yeah, as you can see, and that is it. So guys, if this video helpful, smash the like sorry for that, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.